Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, introduction myself. My name is Zara Delia Permana. I'm from A2 PBSI. I name 2120063. Here I will explain the importance of Indonesian to Generation Z student. Theme: Teaching Indonesian language to Generation Z student. Title: The importance of preserving the Indonesian language for Generation Z student. The use of Indonesian is very important because considering the diverse cultural background of the Indonesian people, Indonesian plays the role of unifying language, national language, and official language, so that Indonesian must be used by all Indonesian people. Our goal in studying Indonesian is so that Generation Z students are able to communication using correct Indonesian, both orally and in writing. Indonesian, as the state language of Indonesia, has an important role in daily communication, considering that Indonesian is an archipelagic country that has many tribes with various mother tongues. So Indonesian plays a unifying role, especially the use of Indonesian among Generation Z students. Generation Z is a generation that grew up with technology. The world is easily explored and controlled with digital technologies such as social media. Globalization and Westernization are phenomena that emerge because of the fast flow of information that can be obtained easily. The impact of this phenomenon influences language as a national character, because as time goes by and generation increase, that authenticity of the Indonesian language is likely to be shaken by new language, especially with the emergence of slang. In teaching Indonesian to Generation Z students, we can provide direct knowledge and practice of Generation Z students. We can also apply it in everyday life during the learning process. Teachers can encourage their students when interaction using good and correct Indonesian. That's why students can also get asked to using Indonesian, and they will directly preserve Indonesian in Generation Z, because good and correct use of Indonesian is increasingly rarely used. The use of standard language has also begun to shift. This is due to the acculturation of foreign language with local language, which cause the standard language to be easily missed. The use of standard language creates a stiff and formal impression on the speaker. Studying Indonesian does not only apply to pupils or students studying this field, but also to all people in Generation Z. Many people don't know that learning Indonesian is not just about learning the language, but also the culture, knowing the position of the Indonesian language, and how to use Indonesian according to the context or situation so that speakers' talks can be understood in line with what is the desired without misunderstandings. Thus, learning Indonesian is also an effort to mention the preservation of the Indonesian language. Thank you.